Hey there, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje Koenen and I love drawing, and on this channel here I share whatever I learn and do in my sketchbook, and hopefully that will inspire you too. And my sketchbook is my daily journal, basically a visual journal. And well, I have been filling quite a few sketchbooks the past weeks and months, and I have a few sketchbooks to share with you. So this week I'm going to share a sketchbook tour with you of this sketchbook, which I filled in September. It has a mix of things in it. There's quite a bit of drawings from online sessions in there, but also drawings on location, and that's pretty much what you get. If you draw daily, it's a mix of everything. So let's dive in. This is a Claire Fontaine sketchbook. It has 100% cotton paper, and I really liked the paper because it's quite smooth. It has a little bit of a creamy white color, and when I bought this I didn't realize this, but in the back there are some postcards that you can take out. I went through this sketchbook so fast that I didn't even take the time to write my details in there. I hardly ever skip that, but I just dived in, drawing my husband. This is a drawing date with my dad, and in the text bubble it says, "Oh my goodness, what did I get myself into?" We had a really fun date. Band drawing, a selfie, meeting people all the way from Georgia, from the US, and they brought me all these goodies that I drew a still life of. And here's a selfie using collage and very foreshortened angle. On the left, I started a drawing that I wasn't feeling it. Well, you know, I did just a small drawing, done it, move on. Tomorrow there's another day. Let's not be too precious about our pages, right? So these are drawings that I did in a very fun online session with Lena, Natalia Velasquez. And then here I was waiting on a train, and then on the right you can see more online session drawings. These were all about weird angles and foreshortening. There's my husband playing the banjo. These drawings are very much not my style, but I had so much fun learning from Oonmar Win. She taught a workshop on watercolor and dip pen. This might be my favorite drawing of this sketchbook. I really like how my line just sort of surprised me drawing these people. It has a really good vibe to me, and there's a lot of depth. So these are the great things about a sketchbook practice. You'll have little treasures in there, and you'll also have little meh drawings in there, and it's all fine. And in the end, my sketchbook is my visual diary where I capture everyday things. It's not about creating a perfect piece of art, but about enjoying the creative process and really learning to observe and to be in the moment. This is one continuous line. I started at the left, and then I drew one of my drawing pals sitting there drawing, and then from there on I moved on to finish it on that side, and then the color finishes it all off. I kind of rushed through the last bit of this sketchbook because I didn't want to take it with me on my trip to Greece, because there were just a few pages left, and then I would have to carry it around for 12 days while also carrying around the 2 other sketchbooks that I was going to bring with me. So I added some extra drawings there and also used those postcards in the back to play a little. These are quick drawings that I did using film stills from Wes Anderson movies. They were provided by Natalia Velasquez on her Patreon. And then this is a drawing that I did of the fuchsia in my backyard that just keeps on blooming and makes me very happy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it inspires you to make something. And maybe I'll send out those postcards, maybe not. It might be a good exercise in letting go and not being too precious about the drawings that you make, right? If you need an assignment for this week, I would say maybe don't do one in your sketchbook, but do one on a loose leaf of paper or maybe even just an index card and send it to someone. That will be such a fun way to say hello to someone you think of, and also that exercise of not being too precious. And if you don't want to give away any of your drawings, I totally get that. Just have fun in your sketchbook, all right? And I will be back next week with another Draw Tip Tuesday video, and hopefully you will be there too. In the meantime, you can also check out my Patreon page where I share lots more inspiration, videos, thoughts, processes, projects, and other stuff. And if you'd like to draw with me, I would love that. Then you can join me online. Every month I do a mini workshop. It's a 90-minute session where we draw together. I will come up with a theme and an assignment for us to draw together, and we get to share our drawings and all of the good stuff of drawing together. So check that out. I will put the link below in the description of this video. And if online isn't really your thing and you'd rather go on an adventure or an art retreat, well, then I really would like to encourage you to go to my website and see what's lined up for 2024 in terms of travel workshops. I just want to mention two that I'm very excited about. One is Lisbon, which will be in April, and there are just a few tickets left, and we really want to fill up that group so that we can have this wonderful adventure in the exciting city of Lisbon together. And when I say we, that's me and my friend Cynthia Morris. We co-lead this exciting workshop. And then also Italy. If you would like something more of an art retreat with studio time to yourself and together, then come with me to Orvieto in Italy. That will be a wonderful experience, a mix of art and culture and the Italian cuisine and just being in beautiful surroundings together making art. I will put the links below this video so you can check it out. That's it. I'll see you next week. Bye.